Hello, today I am going to talk about my favorite ever holiday, Barcelona in Spain. So, watch and listen. So, in the year 2010, I went to Barcelona. That's me. I went with my family. So my brothers, three brothers, and my parents. My dad and my mum. I went with my entire family to Barcelona and we flew. We flew in a plane from the United Kingdom, where we live, to Barcelona in Spain. And I am going to tell you why this holiday was my number one holiday ever, my favorite holiday. So first, we went to Barcelona because we wanted to watch the football. We wanted to watch the football, so the Barcelona team play. I remember walking through the streets of Barcelona on the night of the football game, and there was a lot of people, a lot of football fans going to the Camp Nou to watch Barcelona play against Malaga. It was an amazing experience. We saw some of the best players in the world play football. Lionel Messi was playing for Barcelona at the time, and so was Xavi, Iniesta, and even Ibrahimovic, who only played football for Barcelona for one season, only 1 year. And this was the year we went to watch them play. The second thing I remember really well about this holiday was the open-top bus tour. This was very good, very fun. I recommend that if you go to Barcelona to get this tour, because it is an amazing way to see a lot of the city. I like architecture and buildings, and Barcelona is famous for Gaudi, who is an architect, and there are lots of different buildings of his in Barcelona. And with this tour, you can see a lot of these buildings. And there is no ceiling, so if you sit at the top, you get a really good view. And most of the time in Barcelona, it is sunny, so it is very pleasant to sit at the top of this bus. And you get headphones, and you wear them in your ears during the tour. And a guide talks about the city and the different things you see as you drive by in the bus. It is very enjoyable. But I also got out of the bus because I wanted to see something up close, the Sagrada Familia. In 1882, work began on the Sagrada Familia, and of 2021, it is still not finished. It is very impressive. It is so cool. I really enjoyed looking at the Sagrada Familia. You can actually go inside. You can go in, but I didn't because it is quite expensive and there was really long queues of people waiting to go inside. I have seen pictures online on a computer of the inside, and maybe when it is finished I will go. And finally, the third thing I remember about my holiday in Barcelona was the food and drink. We went to some local bars and we had some beer and sangria, and we sat outside in the sun. It was fun. Also, the food in Barcelona was delicious. We ate a lot of paella and croquetas with alioli. Alioli is a garlic sauce which is really tasty with croquetas and other things. The type of food which is famous in Spain and in Barcelona is tapas. Tapas are small plates of food which you eat with a beer or sangria or a wine, and they are really tasty. And what you do is you order a lot of different types of tapas, and you cover the table with them, and you all just eat a little bit of food from each plate. This is a great way to eat, and I always enjoy ordering and having tapas when I am in Spain. There are a lot of other things I loved in Barcelona, like Park Güell or La Ramblas, or even the beach, which I might talk about in another video. But this was my number one, so my favorite holiday ever. Thank you for watching and listening to this video, and if you want to see more videos like this one, then like and subscribe to our channel and we will make more. So thank you for watching and for listening. Bye.